Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome back if you're returning. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope you're all doing well and all having a great day. If you're new here, my name's Amanda. I post weekly videos on a Tuesday and Thursdays, and then sometimes on a Sunday you'll get a bonus video from myself. Lots of lifestyle content, shopping hauls, DIY, motherhood, all that kind of stuff. So if that's your vibe, do hit the subscribe button. I love to have you on board and love to have you as part of my YouTube family. So today's video is going to be an Aldi and Poundland haul. I've got a mixed bag of items here from Poundland that I can't wait to show you, and also some amazing items from the Aldi middle aisle or Aldi Best Buys. Absolutely amazing. I just can't wait to show you those. I've got to say sorry about the lighting, okay? I'm filming in natural light. Today is like a real funny day, to be fair with you. We've got the sun coming in and out every second. I've shut my blinds. I'm filming with no lighting at all, just natural daylight, and this is the results of it. So if you'd like to see what I picked up in both of those stores, Poundland and Aldi, please keep watching. Okay, so first up from Poundland, I picked up two photo frames in the 6x4 size. These are like a light grey photo frame, sort of like a washed wood effect, I would say. They're box frames and I just absolutely love them. I've got these to put in our hallway. I'm going to be doing like a photo collage either in our hallway or in our living room pretty soon. So I've got these to sort of add to the collection of frames that I'm going to be putting together. These came in at £1 each at Poundland. Okay, so next up I picked up these door slammers. You get a pack of 2 in there for £1, and I've got these to put on our sliding patio doors. When we're out in the garden, you know, we're always sliding and opening the door. It sometimes jams on the frame, so we're actually addressing that. We're looking to get some new doors pretty soon, yeah, but until we get to that point of getting a brand new door, I can just add these to the top half of the door and the bottom half of the door to stop it from slamming. So I've got those, and those were £1 as well. Okay, so next up I got a box of hay fever and allergy relief tablets. You get a box of 30. These help with hay fever, pet allergy, dust allergy, and also skin allergy. So I thought I'd just get these and put into our medicine box. So I've got those, and these were £1. Okay, so next up I got these Kinder chocolate fingers for little Oakley. You get 8 plus 2 extra ones, so 25% extra for free. They're just so handy to have in your bag, and when you're out and about, if you go to the park. So next up I picked up one of these deep moisturizing honey and almond foot packs. I absolutely love a foot pack. You know, the peppermint and tea tree one is one of my go-to. When I saw this honey and almond one, I thought I'd give this a try. You know, just the thought of honey being on your skin is just absolutely amazing. So yeah, I just thought I'd give this a try. It's enriched with honey and almond and also vitamin E to deeply moisturize the skin, helping to soothe and soften dry, rough and cracked heels. So if this is as good as the peppermint and tea tree one, this is probably going to be my new go-to. Okay, so next up I picked up these flip-flops, animal print flip-flops. I've just got these to put down for summer, you know, a nice pair of flip-flops. So these came in at £1, and these are from the Pep & Co range. For £1 you really can't go wrong, and look at that lovely animal print detail in there. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so next up I picked up this pack of 5 grit nail files. Now these nail files are absolutely brilliant. You know, I don't actually waste time with all those smaller nail files. I use them on my toes, I use them on my fingernails. Very good for taking off dry skin on your heels as well, but also very good for just filing down your nails. And they come individually wrapped as well, which is really good for like hygiene. You get a pack of 5 of these files just for £1. Absolutely amazing, and you'll find these in the makeup section in Poundland. So that's those. I also picked up a pack of 3 lip balms. These lip balms again are absolutely fine. I've used these from Poundland before. These are the original scented one. They do come in aloe vera and also in a strawberry, I think so. So I just normally get the original ones. So I got those, and these are also £1. Okay, so next up I picked up a couple of books for little Oakley. Little Oakley is going to be starting reception in September. I can't believe it. He's going to be actually going to school. So I've got him a couple of these books. So this one says Get Ready for School. And then we got the ABC Fun ones. Were £1 each in Poundland. Absolutely amazing. Okay, so in the stationery section I also picked up this Sharpie pen. This is a double-ended Sharpie pen. So one end you've got that standard Sharpie nib, And then at the other end, you've got that slim nib there. So these came in at £2. I can appreciate that because, you know, it is a Sharpie, original Sharpie, and you're getting that double-ended as well. So brilliant. Okay, so next up in the stationery section, I picked up the markers. So these are permanent markers, a pack of 4 in black for £1. Absolutely amazing. So I've got these to like do some organising. I've put some stuff up in the loft in boxes. So I just want to mark the boxes so I know where to find things when I'm ready to look for them. I've been cutting back on buying cleaning products. I've got so many cleaning products that I don't need to buy any more of like the standard cleaning products. But I needed some disinfectant, all-in-one disinfectant spray, you know, to spray on the door handles and the toilet flush and all that kind of thing. So I got this. This is Fabulosa all-in-one disinfectant spray. This is in the scent Silver Shades and it smells absolutely gorgeous. You know, so you're getting like, it says all-in-one, so it's like an air freshener as well, to be fair. It smells really nice. It's got like a aftershavey kind of scent to it, kind of like a oudy kind of scent. My favourite definitely from the Fabulosa range. I think this could easily be £2 because it was one of the new fragrances from Fabulosa, so I got that as well. Okay, so next up I'm going to show you some items that I picked up for my garden in Poundland. These are cushion covers. The original price for them were £1.50 in the Pep & Co section, but these got reduced right down to 25p. Yes, I picked up 4 of them. In the packaging, they don't look like much, okay? Take them out of the packaging, you've got this linen fabric, which is kind of like okay, I would say, to use in the garden. So what I've done is I've just taken one of my cushion inners and I've put the cover on there. You can see how gorgeous these look, you know? They're just a plain grey linen cushion, but perfect for the garden, I would say. So these are going to go onto my garden chairs. That's why I'm showing you them as part of my garden items that I picked up in Poundland. A real bargain for 25p. And also, if I wanted to, I could easily DIY this by putting some pom-poms around it. That might be a little DIY coming up on my channel fairly soon. If I can get the pom-poms, I might just make some pom-poms and attach them to the cushion cover. So that's those. Okay, so next up I picked up this bottle of Weed Killer. If it does a good job and it works just as well as the branded ones, I'll just pop back to Poundland and pick up a couple of more bottles of it. This one you're getting 500 ml, so that should be enough to sort of just get rid of the weeds around our borders in the garden. So I've got that, and that was £1. I also picked up one of these black car spray paint. This is the Auto Extreme spray paint in the matte black. This is to do a DIY in the garden with our garden dining table. It's been outside all year round, so I'm just going to give it like a little spray of this matte paint. I have actually used this before in the garden and I've used it around the house and it does a really good job. So that's going to be like a quick DIY that I'm just going to do to spruce up the table and, you know, make it all look nice and lovely again. So I got this, and these are also £1 in Poundland. They do other colours as well. They do white. I've actually seen them in yellow as well in Poundland, and I've seen them in like a grey colour as well, like a grey silvery colour. So for £1, you really can't go wrong. If you've got like a small project to do, these are worth buying. It gives really good coverage, so I've got that. Okay, so next up in the garden section, I couldn't believe that I found this, okay? This is absolutely gorgeous, okay? So this is what it is. So it's like a tea light candle holder in this cylinder glass jar. So you're getting 2 almost for the price of 1. The holder holds up to 4 tea light candles. Then you just pop it into the cylinder like so, and you can just leave it like that. Really, really nice. I mean, even just to use the cylinder on its own and use that on its own, you can easily do that. That is kind of thing that I would do, to be fair with you, because the cylinder is just so lovely. Just put some flowers in there like so. I mean, I haven't done it perfectly, but you know, you get the gist of it. Really, really nice just on its own, the cylinder. So that becomes like a vase. And then you've got your tea light holder. Absolutely brilliant. So I love this. And this came in at £3, okay? That is why I was saying £1 for all the other items. Some items in Poundland, as you may know or you may not know, but you know now, are not just £1. You're getting like items that are costing more than £1. With all the new Pep & Co range that was launched last year as well. Most of the homeware items, I would say, are actually more than £1 now. But you can appreciate that because, you know, this, I would say, is definitely worth £3, you know, because you're getting 2 items for the price of 1, if you get what I mean. So yeah, so that's that. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so the last item from my Poundland range, and I'm going to show you the amazing items that I picked up in Aldi's middle aisle special buys. So next up from Poundland, I couldn't believe that Poundland are actually selling these, because last year they had something very similar which I actually DIY'd, and I think they probably might have seen my video, you know, and thought, let's do them in black. Now if you remember what I'm talking about, guys, last year around this time I purchased a birdcage from Poundland. It was in the cream shabby chic colour, and I spray painted it black. I added some flowers to it, and that was actually used for one of my friends' anniversary party in their garden. I went into Poundland the other day. I couldn't believe it. I saw that they were actually selling these bird cages in the black. So there's no spray painting that I need to do. It's just absolutely gorgeous as it is. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. Absolutely gorgeous. Now this came in at £5, and I can appreciate that it's £5. The one that I got last year was a little bit taller, and it was also £5, but then I had to spray paint it. Didn't have to spray paint it, but the cream shabby chic was not really my vibe, so I did spray paint it. So with this, I'm thinking I can put some candles in there, I can put some flowers in there, I can just have it in the garden, on the garden table, with a nice large candle in there on an evening. Absolutely gorgeous. So it does open up. It's got like a little clip on the side here, so it opens up like that. And then I'm just going to use these flowers, but if you get what I mean by that, I'll just put the flowers in there, and you can see already how gorgeous this looks. You know, I've just put them in there. You know, it's not nothing not nothing too amazing, but you can see the idea that you can do with these. Absolutely gorgeous. You can buy a couple of these if you're getting married and you need some table centerpieces. You can jazz it up, you can DIY it, but on its own, as you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. This is where I do my thumbnail. Yeah, so absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love it. £5 in Poundland. You really can't go wrong. Stunning. So moving on now, I'm going to show you some items that I picked up in Aldi in the middle aisle. So I was really happy to find some of these items, because last year I did miss out on some of them, and this year they repeated them and I've managed to get them. Okay, so the first item I'm going to show you is this Reed diffuser. This is Aldi's new fragrances, and this is the Century range in the rose scent. Absolutely gorgeous. So it's a Reed diffuser. Do I need to take it out? I'll take it out. I'll take it out and show you anyways. Yeah, so you've got the bottle, which is pretty standard for Aldi, you know, that kind of sort of Joe Malone White Company kind of vibe. And then you've got the natural wood Reed diffuser sticks. So I've got this, and this was actually £2.99 in Aldi. Okay, so next up I picked up some oven trays. You get 2 oven trays for £2.99. They're good size oven trays as well. I also picked up a loaf tin, which was £2.99 also. Absolutely brilliant. Actually used this one already, and I didn't put no greaseproof paper in it, and nothing stuck to it. It's absolutely brilliant. So I've got those. Okay, so last year spring, this is when I first saw the bamboo homeware items really going crazy in all the shops. So I picked up these cups in Aldi, these garden cups, bamboo garden cups, palm leaf design on them, absolutely gorgeous. I also picked up some salad bowls. You get 4 salad bowls there. These were all, I think, £4.99 for the set. So £4.99 for 4 bowls, £4.99 for 4 cups. So those are what I picked up last year. You're going to see the point of me showing you these from last year. Also, I picked up these plates. So you get 4 plates for, again, £4.99 in Aldi. Absolutely gorgeous. You know, palm design. Stunning, absolutely stunning. And then I picked up the salad serving bowl with the spoons. Again, this was £4.99 as well. Those are all from last year. Okay, so last year in Aldi I missed out on 3 items from that collection, and I was like, oh my goodness, I hope they're going to repeat it again this year, you know. So I went in there the other day and I just couldn't believe my eyes, guys. I couldn't believe it, and I'm just obsessed with these items. Absolutely stunning. So I managed to get the tray, the round tray, bamboo serving tray. Absolutely gorgeous, to go with all of those items. Also, I managed to get this rectangular serving tray. Absolutely stunning. You know, I can just see the vibe, you know, the summer vibe. You know, some cocktails on there, out in the garden. you know, barbecue time. Oh my goodness, I just can't wait, you know. I just can't wait for the summer to really kick in. Not like a day like today when the sun is going in, going out. I'm having to change the camera setting each time because the sun is just going in and out. But I'm hoping that you can see me okay and you can see the items that I'm showing you okay as well. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, I don't know why I've left that in there. Let me just take this out so you can see. Absolutely gorgeous. So I've more or less got the whole set. So there's one other item that I have to show you. I managed to get the bamboo jug as well, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I've got to take it out and show you. It is just so cute, so lovely. Now again, the summer vibe is just coming through. Now this is the jug, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with the whole range. Aldi has come through, honestly. Aldi have got it. They've got it on point. Now, if I put this on the tray like so, okay, then one of the bowls, one of the cups, and then the jug. Look how gorgeous this looks, guys. Another thumbnail time. Thumbnail. Each of the sets come up to $4.99. I'm so glad that I waited because I was actually going to pick up something very similar in B&M, but it was like a black and white kind of theme. But I knew Aldi was going to come through with these, so I'm just absolutely amazed with this. So that's my last items. So I'm going to put them down just over there. My last item, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments down below which was your favourite items. Mine definitely has to be the BIRDCAGE from Poundland, and then this lovely palm tree bamboo range from Aldi. Absolutely gorgeous. Yes, so do let me know in the comments down below which was your favourite items. Thanks again for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming content. I've got a few more shopping hauls coming up. I've got a B&M haul coming up and a Home Bargains haul, and also a couple of DIYs. So stay tuned for those. Keep well, stay safe, and I shall see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.